Hello, Maurice. This is Brad here. I'm sending you the video that you request, or I guess your secretary said I send it to you. This video, what we're going to do is cover three different things. It is called content, backlinks, and citations. After going through these, I'll show you the opportunities that you can take for yourself or with my help as well to do this. First of all, we're going to talk about content. Content is the amount of words you have on your web page. Google's looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words. So, with that in mind, let's bring up a copy of this here. See how I'm copying this here? This is your company. And we're going to go into a thing called word count. We're going to paste it in here. And it looks like you guys have about 1,000 words. What Google is looking for is anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words. So you guys are right in there. You got this close. But we could add a few more words in there to help you get to the top of the web pages. Keywords, we'll go into that here real shortly. Heating, what they're looking for keywords is things that have to pertain to your company. So we wouldn't want pizza or clothing or anything like that in here. So you can see heating's bringing you in 22, systems 12, electrical 11. Same thing on this side. Let's go to your competitor, see how many words they have. Sorry, my mouse is fighting me here. There we go. So you got them outbeat by words, 740. Um, their keywords, they're not doing real good on either. But we'll go over this a little bit better, more in a little bit. But this is your top competitor, Roman Electric. They are your top competitors out there. And again, this is you right here, Capital Heating, Cooling, and Electric. I noticed that we got a different number up here than what I called you on. Um, so I don't know if you changed numbers or not, but that's really not important right at this point. Um, so keywords again is anything that a customer will type in. For example, like here, I typed in heating, cooling, and systems from Milwaukee, and it brings up all the people in this area. Okay, and this is how I found your top competitor, Roman Electric. But if you look on here, yours isn't even mentioned here. This is what's called a map pack. Okay. This is the second place that people will go to and when they're trying to find your service or your type of service. This down here is called organics. Okay. What we need to do is get you right up here because this is the first place that people are going to look when they're looking for electricians, plumbers, whatever it might be. Now, as we scroll down, we're not seeing your name in here, your company name. Same thing here. So this is the second page. We're not finding it. We'll go one more deeper, and we're not seeing you guys in here as well. Okay. So again, I'm just going to go back to number one. Again, this is map pack. We need to get you right up here. Generics or organics, I'm sorry. We need to get you right up here. Um, and another way of doing this, let's go into this. Beside, go back to this quick. This word counter. This is a free tool that you can get off the internet. It doesn't cost anything, but it kind of tells you where you guys are at for words and stuff, or your competitors, or whatever it might be. So it's something if you guys want to do this on your own, you can go in here and find these things. This, however, is called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a paid tool that we use. We have quite a few different tools, but I'm going to show you a couple of them today. Um, Arrows, what it does, as you can see, I've got your guys' name in here, your www. And it talks about backlinks, keywords, things along that way. This back here is called a paid search. You guys don't have any ads running now, but if you guys wanted to have ads running, they would show up in here. Um, with the ads, they cost money, of course, and we want to keep your cost down to a minimum, and I'm sure you do as well. Um, Backlinks. Let's go into that since we're here. Backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable hyperlink text or um, or one like I said, where I showed you here, where they can get you into this area. So again, a backlink, I can click on this quick picture. We can put a backlink behind here. I see you don't have one, but we can get one in there, okay? So, backlink profile. Let's go into your backlinks. You have 1.4 thousand, which is good. Which is, you can see boiler replacement, best air, local licensed. So when everybody clicks on one of these areas, they're going to backlink to your company. Let's go back here. Keywords. You have 538 keywords. So since we're here, we'll go into your competitors. Again, this is your competitor, Roman. They have 13,000 keywords, 13,000 plus, okay? And what they're getting out of that is 38,000 people coming to their website. Let's see what you guys got coming. You have 530 words, and I don't see any traffic. You're getting 727 compared to their 38,000. And that's why they're in the number one spot, okay? So we need to get you into the number one spot, but we can take care of this. Or like I said, this video is free. You're welcome to take all this information and implement it into your company and into your webpage to bring you more business. So again, they got you outranked here by quite a bit. We can take care of that for you, or like I said, you can as well by yourself. You got 538 keywords. Let's see what your keywords are. Capital heating, capital heat, capital heating, capital. Duct cleaning, okay, here's a good one. It's bringing in about 200. Capital heating is bringing in 2.5 thousand. Same thing up here, 700. But you can see these keywords by putting them in here on the different things. HVAC Milwaukee, 450. 400. Aircon, okay, troubleshooting chart. These are all different things that are bringing keywords. Let's go over theirs, their keywords. Like I said, they got a truckload here. Outgoing, Roman Electric, power surge, neutral wire, shortened wire. So it looks like they're using a lot of wiring stuff to get people into that must be their major business. I don't see anything about heating or cooling or anything on this first page. So they must be more fixed on the electrical part of it. So with that in mind, Milwaukee. Okay. So again, this is your web page. Then there's these things. You got this down pretty good too. You got drop downs, which is awesome. People can just hover over them and come in and click on yours. Roman, let's see. They have them as well. And with you, if you want to, I don't know if you need more help with that, but we can put, like, for example, in this spot, we can put in now hiring, something along that line to help bring in more help for you. Okay. So once we get your content to where it should be, like these guys are here, and get you up into this volume, you will then be number one placed, okay? And let's say, for example, because of your placement in Google right now, you're getting about 10% of what these people are from going into these pages right here. So people are going in here, clicking on this, and that's why they're getting so much more business than what you guys probably are. So you're probably getting about 10% of what these guys are getting. What we would like to do is get you into the top spot, and that could at least get you up to 50% or more um, people calling you, okay? And that's what this is all about, is to get you guys, your business, more money. And that's why we're in business, right? To make more money. So, in ending, this is what I do for a living, okay? And what I would like to do is help you to get you to that number one spot. Again, you can do it by yourself with this information I'm sending you right now, showing you these tools you can use, um, as well as there's a lot more. Like I said, there's quite a few more different tools that we use. So you can use this information. Again, it doesn't matter to me. I'm just here to help you out. Uh, Again, I'd like to get you to the top spot. Okay, I'm sure you guys want more money, and I guess that's what the objective of having a business is. So with this in mind, what I'm going to do is leave you at this and send you this video. You can keep the information for yourself, as I've said several times now, or you can contact me at 608-574-2784, or you can just reply to the email I'll be sending you with this video. Thank you, Maurice, and have a good day.